Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you how to integrate Google Drive with Notion. When it comes to managing documents and collaborating efficiently, integrating Google Drive with Notion is a game changer. This powerful combination allows you to seamlessly synchronize your Notion workspace with Google Drive's extensive file storage and sharing capabilities. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who simply wants an organized method to handle documents, this guide is designed for you. We will walk through the integration process step by step, making it easy for you to connect these two essential tools. To start, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Notion website, where you can launch the Notion app on your device. It's crucial to ensure you're logged into your account before proceeding. Once you're on the Notion homepage, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where your name is displayed. Clicking on your name will open a drop-down menu, giving you access to various account options. This menu is the starting point for integrating Google Drive with Notion. From this drop-down menu, the next step involves clicking on Settings. The Settings menu is full of different configuration options that let you tailor and enhance your Notion experience. Today, our focus is on the connection settings, which are essential for linking Notion with Google Drive. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Connection section and click on it. This area is specifically designed to allow Notion to interface with other applications and services you might be using. Inside the Connections menu, you'll find a variety of services available for linking with Notion. Here, you need to locate the Workspace option and click on it. This will guide you directly to the Google Drive integration process. The Workspace configuration not only connects you to Google Drive, but also opens pathways to various other applications, making it a versatile feature within Notion. Once you're within the Workspace configuration, scroll down until you see Google Drive. Click on it to proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted with the necessary steps to authenticate and link your Google account. It's important to remember that in order to connect Notion with Google Drive, you must have a subscription plan that supports this feature. Make sure your Notion plan includes external integrations, as some plans might not offer this by default. And there you have it. You've successfully linked Google Drive to your Notion account. Now, you can effortlessly access your Google Drive files directly from Notion. This integration makes project management, document sharing, and collaboration smoother and more efficient. Anytime you need to link a document or retrieve something from your drive, it's just a few clicks away within Notion. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to integrate Google Drive with Notion quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.